anybody think they have a correct answer for 5, an exact answer for 5? 1.5 or 3/2 is correct. Okay. Now again, I'm going to pretend I have no idea what logs mean. I hope that's not true, by the way. I have no idea what logs mean, and I'm just going to type it in. Okay. So I've got log of 54, and again, I got to close that parenthesis, divided by log of 3. I keep referring to this formula sheet we've got. What I'm using right here is the change-based theorem. Okay. So let me show that again. Log of 54 divided by log of 3, because otherwise my log on my calculator is base 10, minus 1/2, and you can hit a times here. I didn't, but you could. Log of 108 divided by log of 3. Now, if I forget to close this first parenthesis on the 54, it's over for me in terms of getting a right answer. Okay? Not my life. That would be a little extreme, but my right answer future is not looking very good. Okay? So, again, that's frustrating. I know that some of you get very frustrated with that. And so I want to talk about the other way to think about this also. Okay? So the last couple of days we've been working at simplifying logarithm expressions. Okay? So if we have log base 3 of 54, I'm going to leave that. But I'm going to bring this half back to the power. So minus log base 3 of 108 to the half power. All right. Now, when I subtract logs, again, here we are, subtracting logs, we can rewrite that as the log of a quotient. Okay? So that would be the log base 3 of 54 over 108 to the half, but I'm going to call that the square root of 108. Are we okay with that? Now, I guess at some point, that gives me less to type in, but I still, again, we're trying to figure out what power of 3 is this monster, so that's not real easy to do. But I think that's a lot easier to type, okay? So we'd still have to type log of 54 divided by the square root of 108, and close a few parentheses, divided by the log of 3. All right? And we should end up with that same answer. So if you're just comparing, you know, what I had to type, I guess that's a little bit shorter. Still doesn't make it real obvious. Oh yeah, yep, the power is 1.5. You know, we could work on this number, whoops, 54 divided by the square root of 108 and see if we can simplify that at all. Yeah, it's not a nice problem no matter how you do it, but this is definitely less to type in than all of that other thing. Okay?